Have you ever bought plantain, unripe plantain mostly, like this one, and all of a sudden it turns black? And the annoying thing is that it didn't just turn black, it's strong, it didn't ripen, and it's almost like it's useless. Let me show you how you can quickly avoid that, or what you can do to avoid that. You're going to get a little plantain in different bags of flour. It's actually welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Oyechukwu. I'm a Nigerian content creator based in Abuja. So you guys, today I'm going to be talking about plantains. Let me show you simple ways that you can easily store your plantains so that when they're expensive, you won't really feel it that much. Let me quickly show you what I do, okay? And I'll also be telling you how you can prevent your plantain from turning black like this one. So let's get right into it and to avoid that. So why this is happening is because of the dry season. The weather is very hot. It's Harmattan, obviously. There is heat everywhere, and so it's draining the moisture from the plantain, hence drying it up without it ripening properly. And let me show you what you can quickly do to avoid your plantains from being dark, being black like this, and not ripening and being useless. Okay. So first off, you want to cut out your this. Cut it like this. Next, you want to get your paper towel. Then you're going to get a little water and drizzle on it. This is optional, but this is just to lock in moisture. It's losing moisture, so the skin is drying up. So when you lock in moisture like this, you're going to get your bag. You're going to get a sack, and then you put your plantains into it like this. So you can also go in with an apple. Now, you want to either put your plantains like this in the fridge, or you put it wrapped like this. I prefer to wrap it like this. Some people put it like this. I just put it wrapped, and then I put that in my fridge, and that's it. Now you're going to put your plantain in a very cool place, not where there will be sunlight or wind, and then you're going to be making sure you're checking it every day to be sure it's not ripening. Anyone that ripens, you take it out, and that's it. So once I'm done your plantain in different shapes, also different shapes, you cut them. So this shape also looks good. Alright, plantain looks like. The secret is to make sure that it's very flat. Unless of course you're cooking everything, then that's fine. I also have the shaped plantain. Please always make sure it's very flat so that you can easily break it up when it's frozen, the round shape. So always make sure it's very flat. Yam and egg sauce and all of that. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in the fridge. As you can see, I'm trying to make sure that they are very flat. So I'm going to plantain them like this and put them in the fridge. Our plantains. You can also do the same with your the ones that we've already cut. You just need to make sure that you don't pour in the plantain like this. As you can see, this is what our plantain looks like. It's actually really still fresh. It's not soggy, and that's because the plantain was strong when we dyed it.